What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I was wearing a hat, so my hair is pretty homeless looking, but it's okay. Gonna go over Turbo, currently sitting at 0.0074, up about 10% on the day. Market cap 476 million. 24-hour volume is 232 million. So if we pop into the chart, we have quite a decent sized impulse. Now we may push up in one more high before coming down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if we were to pull back from here, your target zone to look for is in between 0.0053 and 0.0062. So if we push a little bit higher, then of course this target zone just inches up a little bit. It is a meme coin, so of course, you know, they can explode at any time. As you can see, Turbo is moving against the rest of the market. We've seen a huge pump off this low here, this wave 2 low of about 56, no more than that, about 60%. Pretty juicy for our friend Turbo. So of course, if you've been following along with the channel, you know we have our bear market low, our wave 1 up, our wave 2 correction, and our wave 3 target, which is up here at 0.0191. Of course, it's going to take time. Things should speed up after the election. If Mr. Trump gets in and pours money into the economy. If you've seen what's going on with North Carolina and a hurricane is coming into Florida, they don't have money for the relief because they sent it all to Ukraine. So hopefully that will convince people to vote accordingly. Because, yeah, America is kind of a bit of a joke right now. So we'll see what happens. I shouldn't get too political on the channel. So that's what you're looking for. Wave 2 pullback. If we put in one more higher high, then we pull back. This target zone just moves up a little bit. But if you do see a pullback from here, look for a bounce from this target zone. That's what I'm looking at for Turbo. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. It is available for use all over the world. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link, top of the comments. Join my free Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis as well as my Forex signals where I'm giving signals for gold. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.